We might do something at the end of this as a surprise for him. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, and what I have here behind me is another project that we're working on for a customer slash fan of the channel. And I asked him if he allowed me to document his build, and he said surely. So we're going to document this build for him, and we might do something at the end of this as a surprise for him. So you guys will have to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win it on this video, well, maybe we will on the next one. So you guys will have to come back and see what the surprise I may do for this fan here. But what we got here is a 2012 Chevy Silverado that the customer or fan wants totally redone, but we're not doing this as a totally show build because he does daily drive this. And what we did was some body work so far. And here's what he's already put on is the red fuel wheels. Now right now they're in the process of picking out the paint for this vehicle, and it's definitely not going to be the color that it is now. And I will take you inside and show you the bumpers here that we're putting on here. Did some body work here. We do have to replace the door on the other side, and we were out here, and if you follow us on the other social media sites, you know we've already POR'd the frame for him, and he helped out in that. And there is I believe it is a 4-inch rough country lift kit on this, and like I said, with the fuel wheels. So here are the wheels. Maybe this side's they're a little dirty, but we already had the bed off. The bed, we already replaced the bed sides on that. I would have showed that earlier or in the video, but you know, by the time I contacted him and asked him if we were allowed to do the build, we already had the bed done. So I'll take you up there and show you the bed after I take you back and show you the bumpers. Oh, let me show you this one thing, what he did here. He even got a Wicked Fabz sticker for the back window, and that I gave that to him about a year ago. So then he reached out to us and wanted us to redo the truck. He is going for a color change. Like I said, he is working with one of our staff members to pick out a color. But now we're back here in the shop, and in case you guys are new to the channel, we have a few things on it right here. I'll show you a little bit quick of the project build, and it's a little dusty and dirty. And this is the chassis of the mud truck to show truck project build we're doing, that we're hoping to launch this year in Bloomsburg at the 2021 Jamboree, if not possibly Carlisle. But here's a little teaser for you guys. I'm about to show you the color that we went with on the body real quick. So if you want to see more and know more about the color and what we did, hit that subscribe button and follow the channel. So we already got the front clip all painted up already. And that is because this weekend we are planning on dropping the cab onto the chassis. But here are the bumpers that we are going with on the 2012 Silverado build. These are aftermarket bumpers, and we are going to paint these to color match. And he's already got the LED lights inside the bumper. I don't know if you can see them there, right up in there. So now I'm just going to take you guys out and show you the box and what we did to the box already. Here is the box that we already replaced the bed sides on that Jeff did. And as you can see, this is the original color. new box sides underneath. We do have to POR the underside yet, which we will be doing, which the underside of this box is not bad at all, as you can see. So doing this will be a dream. And as you can see, we already POR'd up and around the wheel well already. We just got to finish this all off, and we'll probably be finishing up that this weekend. We've already got the new tailgate on there, which will also be painted to the body, and all these letterings are coming off. We just got to check to see if he still wants the Chevy emblem at least on the back. And here's the other bedside. And now let me take you around and show you the old bedsides that we took off. Here are the old bedsides. And as you can see how there was a lot of rust that the customer wanted taken care of. This looked like a patch up in here at one point. And I'll show you how. This one wasn't all that bad. As you can see, this was the real bad one. As you can see how it all started to bubble here. And that is a good sign that it's rusting from the inside out. And what happens is, let me flip this panel for you. And there's a better side of the panel as to why we're replacing them. And as you can see how rotted it starts here, and then it just works its way through. And what happens is that over time rocks get up inside here, and there's nowhere for the rocks to go. They get stuck, and then what it does is starts wearing a hole here, and then the rust forms, and then it starts rusting from the inside out. And then we just have to take off his gas tank door and put that on the new bed. But yeah, that's why we replaced the bed sides. That's a quick walk around of the 2012 truck that we are doing to get ready for this customer so he could go to the Jamboree. And he will be at the Jamboree with us, so if you want to see this finished product, check us out at the 4-Wheel Drive Jamboree in Bloomsburg, PA this year, 2021, so you guys could check out what we did here. Oh, and one other note here, if you guys are all wondering if you can POR an exhaust system, well, we did. And you can. All it will do is smoke a little bit until it bakes on there, and it'll be fine. And as you can see, there's the muffler up there. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Oh, one other thing, I need you guys to comment down below as to what color do you think we're going to paint this truck, because they're working on the color now. Like I said, the crew's coming out here with him, and they're checking it, and they're starting to work with him on picking out colors, and a choice will be made here shortly within the next 2 days. Probably by the time this video drops, the color will be picked already. But I need you guys to comment on what color do you think he's going to go with the red rims, and it's going to be color matched. The bumpers, the body, the mirrors, and stuff like that is all going to be color matched. So you guys comment below as to what you think would be a good color match combo with those rims. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!